beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Smell nice.
The reporter has difficult moments here.
Yeah, difficult. You like that? I thought you were a smoker.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I thought you were a smoker. You could take it. And this clothes now, eh? This clothes will have a lot of smoke.
Unless you want.
Okay, what you here see is the daily life.
Itakausha na moshi.
Alafu tena huyu anachoma nini plastic.
Nani huyo?
Siane.
Plastic gani?
Simu nitupa makatesa plastic hapo ndipo kuna hiyo smoke yote. Utafanya kwa brigade wa kutu.
Tania.
Fresh.
Yeah. The bushman know what he do.
Sipo toka hapo. Toka hapo sipo utachomoka.
Look to his arms. That is a very strong boy.
That is a very strong bushman boy,
Yeah.
wearing a swimming costume.
Oh.
Bonfire!
Aye.
Setting fire to this place. Nani watoto wa kesho, hii ndizo itakuwa tayari kutoe.
Bado.
Bado mpaka
Ianze kuiva kidogo.
Na ile ingine iko pale. Tuacha hapo watu watakuja kuchukua kwa sababu jambo lifunga.
Nilifunga?
Okay, that was take number 3.
Take number 3.
With take number 4 you see nothing more. Then is everything burned.